Good morning, all. Welcome back. I have both a book and a nature activity for us to do today. I went and collected all of these beautiful flowers outside in my garden and around, and I want us to make a nature bracelet today, and it just takes simply a piece of masking tape. I happen to have blue, but you can use any sort of masking tape that you have around your house, and a pair of scissors. So I thought first we could read this book with a cute little bunny and the mouse on it. It's called If You Plant a Seed. And Herbie can listen to it too. If you plant a tomato seed, a carrot seed, and a cabbage seed, in time, with love and care, it's growing. Tomato, carrot, and cabbage plants will grow. Tomato, carrots, cabbage. They're having a feast of what grew in the garden. And now some bird friends are coming to see what they grew. The bird friends. There's the cardinal and the blue jay and a crow and a dove. If you plant a seed of selfishness in a very short time, it will grow and grow and grow. They don't want to share their vegetables with the birds. Into a heap of trouble. But if you plant a seed of kindness, in almost no time at all, the fruits of kindness will grow and grow and grow. All those seeds grew into other things. There's a whole field of sunflowers now. And other vegetables. And they are very, very sweet. They're all feasting on all the different plants that grew. That was a nice story. I really love the illustrations in this book. I think this is my favorite page with all the birds. You say, will you share with us, please? So that was kind of a book on growing, but it also was a book about kindness and sharing. So that was a very sweet book. So now I think we'll move on to our activity with our specimens of nature here, things that I found in my garden. And I love all the different colors. My daffodils, I've had my daffodils for a long, long time. They just keep growing and growing more in my garden. they're just, yeah, they're still so bright and yellow. And I have a tulip. And with this, you'll want to ask your moms and dads if you can go and pick a couple flowers from your garden, or if you have any trees or shrubs in your backyard that are starting to bloom and blossom. I know soon the lilacs trees are going to blossom, and my azalea bush, my azalea hasn't quite bloomed yet, but it's starting to. This is a piece of my azalea bush, but I've seen some other azalea bushes in the neighborhood that have started to bloom. So you might have some of those in your yard, but look closely at these petals. This is just one of the tulips I have growing in my garden. I don't have any red tulips. My yellow tulip just went by. I didn't have many tulips this year, but this is from my cherry tree. I picked one of those blossoms. That's starting to really bloom. And yeah, just some other things from my garden. So I'm going to tape this onto my wrist here. Kind of loosely, a little bit loose. And you can just do this directly outside. It was still a little bit chilly outside this morning, so I figured I would just do it inside with you folks. So I'm just going to peel a few petals off, and then I can use my scissors also, but I can just start designing my bracelet how I want. So I think I'm going to do, well, I think I'm going to trim some too. Cut some pieces. I'm just going to start with the yellow because it's so colorful. And this is just a good way for you to practice using your scissors too. And you could put in a lot of green with leaves. I have these little bitty fronds of ferns that are starting to grow in my garden out back. Some snipping. Ooh, and all these petals came off, all these little delicate petals of pink. So this is fun. This is just, we do a lot with, you know, like sticky paper and at school and stuff. So this is just a easy way to have fun with just this sticky tape. And I like this pink. Try this pink petal. Take off the little pieces. Just trying to fill in all the sticky spots. I don't know if you remember, friends, we used to do the sticky paper collages at school in the window in the spring or in the fall. We did it in the fall with all the different fall leaves, the red leaves and orange leaves and brown leaves. I think I'm going to stick some of this purple on. This is from a vine that grows outside too, and these are the leaves from it. So I think I'm going to put a few green leaves on my bracelet also and fill in some of the spots. My fern. So yes, I have way more flowers than I need, but if you did have some sticky paper at home, you could also use the leftovers to do a collage and put it up in your window, in a bright spot in your window. And that would be very cheery for you to look at. So my bracelet's almost finished. I'm going to add just a couple more. Add a little bit more of the yellow. A little bit more purple. Couple more green leaves, overlapping a little bit because I still have a couple sticky spots. Maybe one more right there. So there's my bracelet, my nature bracelet made from all of my flowers at my house. And I left it a little bit loose, but it's not so loose that it will come off my hand. And yeah, I kind of like it. So I think you can do something similar at your house, and you can have fun going on a little nature walk around your house looking for all different kinds of colors and adding them to perhaps a bracelet or some sticky paper at your house for a fun little art project. I hope you had fun with me. Thank you, friends. Bye.